Hey, what is going on, everybody? Mark Dixon Photography here. Today I needed to do a quick 2-minute tutorial to assist with how to export photos to either Facebook or email. So let's go ahead and see how that works in here. While you're in the library mode, if you want to select the photos that you want to export, you can come in two different options. You can come here to File Export, or you can scroll down to some of the publishing collections down here, such as Facebook or also your hard drive. But if you want to do it directly to email, we're going to go to File, then Email Photos. And then what you do here is specify the recipient and subject and where it's going to be sent from. So if you have an email account that you need to set up, you can set that up in here. You can attach the files, specify their size, full size, large, etc., or create a new preset, which is pretty easy to do. I'm going to bring that over here and set that up. So rename the files if you'd like to. We're going to change it to their name, which this one's already done. We're going to resize it to fit long edge, and on this here I'm going to do a 2000 size long edge, and then we're going to do the resolution if you want it for print above 72, and we'll just do like 300 or something along those lines. You can sharpen for screen. Then the next step that you want to do down here is the quality. I want to keep this no lower than 90 if you want them to have good size photos and good resolution. Don't go any lower than 90 right there. We got the 2000 pixels on the long end, and next we're going to come over here and do add. We're going to name this one for emailing. We'll put that in the user preset where it is right there. And now the last step that you do here is do right click and then update with current settings. So that way all these settings stick right here. And that's pretty much how you do it. You'll click export, it'll run through the process, and then open the mail manager and send it on its way. Now the other step, as I was mentioning, is down here. I don't have it set up, but you can set this up. I don't really send anything to Facebook. You can authorize Facebook just like that, and go through and do all the different things that you need to. It's probably going to pop it up, and yes, it will. It's going to try and give me the opportunity to continue and connect Adobe Lightroom over here, which I'm not going to do, but that's how you would do it through Facebook. Once you do that, then you're going to specify certain albums and create new albums, and they would upload directly from Lightroom to Facebook just like that. So again, as a recap on that, it's either File Export or File Email, or on the left-hand side of the library mode in your panel here, down here in your published services. So you have Adobe Stock, CloudSpot, Facebook, Flickr, SmugMug, and any other one that you have. You can find more online to see what services are available by clicking that there and going into the Lightroom Exchange. Hope you guys appreciate this video here. Thanks for subscribing. If this helped you, click that bell button also to get notified when I go live or put up more videos for you. Thanks again for watching. This is Mark Dixon Photography.